Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is Dr. Muhammad Awais, a certified expert of NVivo. I am thrilled to have you with us today as we delve into an essential aspect of data refinement, merging and deleting themes for a more profound and focused analysis. In our previous videos, we have learned how to import datasets from Twitter using N-capture of NVivo and how to import those datasets into NVivo. And then we learned how to apply identify themes automatically using autocode wizard of NVivo. Today we are taking our journey to the next level by refining our themes to extract deeper insights from our data. But before that, make sure you have subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon button so you never miss any of our future videos. In our previous video, we selected our dataset, this dataset, and then we applied autocode, and then we got some themes by autocode wizard of NVivo using identify themes, and then we clicked next, coding by sentences, and that gave us a head start by categorizing our data into various themes. However, to truly make sense of our insights, it's crucial to consolidate and fine-tune these themes. So make sure you are with me till the end of this video. Let's get started. So this first auto-coded theme birthday revolves around birthday related content, with the dominant child code being happy birthday, which has 23 sentences. This theme likely encapsulates tweets celebrating birthdays, possibly including Babar Azam's own birthday as well. The cricket theme is extensive and highlights Babar Azam's deep association with cricket. This theme encompasses various aspects of cricket, from discussions you can see about teams and players to the history of the sport, modern day cricket, great stuff, domestic cricket, etc. etc. Child codes like cricket team and cricket world provide insights into his cricket related interests and activities. This happy theme reflects a range of occasions associated with happiness. Happy retirement indicates well wishes for those retiring. And then happy birthday. You see, birthday, happy birthday are three different themes. How to tackle with them? I will get to that later. Then series. Series theme appears to focus on cricket series, including discussions about wins, arrangements, and historical significance. This child code stands out, indicating a significant emphasis on celebrating victories in different series. And then team theme encompasses discussions about various team codes like cricket team, this one, and national cricket team, highlight Babar Azam's interactions regarding team dynamics and performance. And then this time theme that reflects various references to time, including moments of difficulty and ease, difficult times, trying times, just discussions related to challenges, while great time and dinner time may be linked to positive experiences and routines. First of all, let's talk about how to delete a theme. For example, if you scroll down, this HTTPS, this doesn't seem to be a theme. If you double click on any theme, it will open a window in which the content related to that theme appears. Doesn't take too much to happy, and this is the link. You can rename this theme by right click on it and code properties, and then write anything, happiness or something like that, or anything that you want. So it changes. By the way, if you want to delete this, simply press the delete button on your keyboard and hit yes, or right click on it and select delete and then select yes. So this is how you can delete different themes that you seem inappropriate to have in your data. The ideal way to do refinement or merging themes into one another is to open every theme and read the content inside those themes. There are some tips that I want to share. Always create a backup or save your project before making significant changes to themes to avoid data loss. And ensure that you have extracted and documented any valuable information or insights from themes that you plan to delete. Merge themes based on their content and relevance. Avoid merging unrelated themes, obviously, and it may lead to confusion as well. Regularly review and refine your themes as you progress in your analysis. Themes may evolve as you gain deeper insights into your data by double clicking on your file and read the text, or by going deep into every theme and read the content about it. Before advancing further, there is a disclaimer. This is just a rough practice. You have to do the refinement or creating new themes and merging and populating them with the existing themes on your own based on your research project. Anyways, let's say after reading all these themes, the automated themes, you come across with the 6 newly themes that emerged from all the data, in which you want to populate these existing automated themes into those newly created ones. So first, now let's create those new themes in which I will cut and paste these themes. For that, just go to codes, let's say right click and select new code, and let's say the first theme that we have that we want to create as new is birthday celebrations. The second code is cricket enthusiasm. The third is happiness and well-being. The fourth one is about cricket series. The fifth one is team dynamics. The sixth one is time and challenges. So these are the themes that I have just created. Now I have to populate this theme with all the existing codes that have something related to birthday celebrations. Now let's go to those auto-coded themes. Let's say this is 75th birthday, that is about celebration of birthday. So right click it and cut it. Go to the newly created theme and select and right click on it and select merge into selected code, or you want to merge into this code as child code. So for now I'm going to do this. I'm going to select this option. You will see that code has been pasted and has been incorporated as child code. Similarly, select all those automated codes that have something related to a birthday. I'm going to select multiple, then right click, cut codes, and then paste it. So this is how you populate the newly created themes with those existing automated themes. Similarly, this happy theme has something related with birthday as well. So select those themes that have something related to happy birthday. So select these 3 themes, right click, cut, select the targeted theme and paste. So yes, this is very important. There are 2 themes that have the similar name, happy birthday and then happy birthday 2. So you want to merge them. Right click on it, cut, and then select that targeted child code, merge into selected code, select it, OK. Now those 2 themes have been merged. By the way, the references didn't change because maybe those both themes are one and the same thing that have the similar sentences, so you don't need to worry about it. If 2 themes have identical content, when you merge them into one, the references or the sentences will not be added but merged, but replaced or but omitted, and it will not blind you. So it is a good thing. If you have similar content and you are merging 2 themes, that text will appear for one time only. Similarly, happy birthday Babar, we have to merge them as well. So you have to repeat this process. Let's discuss these newly created themes and their child codes. Birthday celebration. This theme revolves around the celebration of birthdays and expressions of well wishes and happiness, just like I explained earlier. The automated themes related to birthday and happy birthday were placed in this category because they all center on the celebration of birthdays and conveying good wishes. 75th birthday, celebrating birthday, and similar phrases are variations of birthday celebrations, while happy birthday and similar expressions convey birthday greetings, and grouping them under this theme makes sense as they all relate to celebrating birthdays and spreading happiness. Next, cricket enthusiasm. This theme encompasses various aspects of cricket, from fans to players and teams, as well as different cricket related terms. The automated themes related to cricket and its associated terms can be grouped together under cricket enthusiasm because they all pertain to the sport of cricket. Whether it's discussing cricket fans, avid cricket fan, or the game itself, playing cricket, they all contribute to the overarching theme of cricket enthusiasm and its different facets. Third one, cricket series. That centers on cricket series, matches, and related events. For example, the automated themes like series win, test series all revolve around cricket tournaments, victories, and matches. And by placing them under this theme, it becomes evident that these phrases share a common context related to cricket competitions and series. Happiness and well-being, which focuses on expressions of happiness, positive sentiments, and well-wishing phrases. And Automated themes like happy retirement and happy returns all convey different aspects of happiness and well-being. They were grounded under this theme. To highlight the various ways people express happiness and well wishes or express positively. And then this cricket dynamics, which explores the dynamics of teams, teamwork, and related terms. For example, the automated themes containing terms like cricket team and team manager or amazing or team performances all touch on the concept of teams and teamwork. Whether it is discussing cricket teams or other team dynamics in general, they fall under the umbrella of team related concepts. And then the last one, time and challenges, which delves into different aspects of time, including challenges and experiences associated with it. The automated themes like difficult times and trying times all are related to different experiences and challenges associated with time. This allows for a discussion of various temporal aspects and people navigate through different periods. So, in a sense, these newly created themes help organize the automated themes by providing a broader context and narrative. In research, the selection of themes should directly correspond to your research objectives. Your chosen themes should align with the specific goals and questions you aim to investigate in your study. This alignment is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures relevance. Keeping your research focused on addressing the core issues you intend to explore. Second, it enhances clarity by defining the scope of your study. That prevents it from straying into unrelated areas that might dilute its significance. And third, it makes your analysis more purposeful. So, ultimately, aligning themes with research objectives maximizes the likelihood of successful meeting your intended research outcomes and achieving your research goals. Therefore, it is imperative to define your research objectives before embarking on theme selection and analysis to maintain this alignment. I hope you are enjoying our journey on how to analyze Twitter data using NVivo. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit that share button to help others discover this helpful content. Also, stay tuned with us for more upcoming videos on this series as well as on popular research tools like MaxQDA, SPSS, Mendeley, and many more. We are here to support your research journey every step of the way. See you in next video and thank you for watching.